Hello, this video is part 4 of simplifying polynomial expressions by using long division. In this case, the problem in video number 3 is more difficult than the problem in this video, which is part 4. Okay. If you look at the problem, I have already pre-filled some of the information. I put in the divisor where it goes and the dividend where it goes, and the reason for doing that is because the problem was given to us in this form. Now, let's do step number 1. In order for us to solve this problem, I need to be taking two terms at a time because there are two terms on the divisor. Therefore, I will be looking at two terms in the dividend. And I will start by saying, what number do I need to multiply 2 by to get 6? That number is 3. What do I need to multiply x by to get x squared? And I need to multiply by x. I will be placing this 3x as part of the quotient, and this will be going right here, 3x. The reason it goes on the second term is because everything in this column needs to have an x with no exponent. Everything in this column needs to have just a constant. There will not be any letter in this column. And now I will be multiplying the 3x times the divisor. I will start with the 2x. So I will multiply 2x times 3x, and that will give me 6x squared. Then I will do 6 times 3x. That will give me 18x. I will be subtracting those two because there are two terms. I have to put a parenthesis around it, and this negative that I placed in the front right here will be multiplying everything inside the parentheses. When you multiply by a negative, all you have to do is change the sign of everything inside. This negative 6x squared becomes, this positive 6x squared becomes a negative 6x squared. This positive 18x becomes a negative 18x, and the negative that we put on the outside becomes a positive. Now let's perform the operation. 6x squared minus 6x squared is 0. 26x minus 18 is 8x. Now we bring down the positive 23, just like we would do it in the old division form. Now we need to figure out which number do I multiply 2 by to get 8. I need to multiply by 4. What do I multiply x by to get x? I will multiply by 1. Therefore, 4 times 1 will be 4, and I will be placing it on the quotient. Now that I have that 4 on the quotient, I will multiply that times the divisor. 2x times 4 would give me 8x. 6 in the divisor times that 4 is 24. Place the parentheses. Negative on the outside means change everything inside to the opposite sign. So the positive 8 becomes negative, the positive 24 becomes negative. Change this to a positive. 8x minus 8x is 0. 23 minus 24 is negative 1. So this is the first problem where you've seen that we have a remainder. This remainder will be part of the solution. This is the quotient. It will also be part of the solution. Now here is the answer. The answer will be 3x plus 4. This 3x plus 4, I got it from the quotient. And because the remainder is not 0, the remainder will also be part of the solution, as I mentioned before. So plus negative 1 over, and we will be placing this over the divisor being 2x plus 6. And we have completed the problem